Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a PDF editor directly in React.js. So I'm running this application localhost as you can see inside the browser. So interface of the application is quite simple. You actually allow the user to simply select whatever PDF file that they want to read and edit. As they select the PDF file, the PDF file will display right here. All the pages will display on the screen right here. This is the first page, second page. Then we also have the controls to actually add text. This is a select operator. This is the text. As you click, you can actually add. You can just see here. We can add whatever text that you want to. Using this, you can align this perfectly wherever you need to place it. You can go to the next page, repeat the same process. After that, click the save button and automatically all the changes, whatever changes that you have done, whatever text that you have written is successfully saved. So it's actually a React.js application we have built using PDF-LIB. We are using the latest version of React and we are also using this package React PDF. And for this we are also using Tailwind CSS, so you can directly purchase the source code. The link is given in the description. After you purchase it, automatically you will be redirected to Google Drive. So this is actually the full directory structure. You can add more features on top of this project here. This will save you a lot of time here. So I coded this from scratch in React.js. And if you don't know, React PDF is actually a very nice package specifically for React.js applications. So for rendering out PDF files in the browser, so we are using this package. Apart from that, we are also using a JavaScript library for editing PDF files. So this is the PDF-lib library that we are using. So we are using these two libraries to build out this application. It's completely responsive as well, so it also looks good on mobile devices as well. So the link is given, you can directly purchase it. This is a select operator. This is here you can add text. You can add multiple text as well. So just click on the location, just click. So it will save you a lot of time because you don't need any external software to do this. You can add more features on top of this project, such as adding images, highlighting text. So possibilities are endless. As you click the save button, automatically all the changes that you made is successfully saved. So we are using Vite development engine. So we are running this application localhost. As you can see, it's easy for you to deploy this application as well. If you still face any issue, you can contact me. As we are using Vite development engine, so we also have the build command. So you can actually build out this entire React project. So it will compile everything into a single folder where you can easily deploy this to a shared hosting. So once it completes, you will get the notification and it will create a dist directory. So you can see it is now compiled and built out this project and created this dist directory, and which you can easily deploy this if you want to purchase a domain name and deploy this application. So now for running this locally, you can simply execute this command npm run dev. So you can see the application is perfectly running, and you can take any example. So it contains a lot of pages. So it basically renders each page on top of each other. You have all these operations for. So if you're interested in this, guys, the link is given in the description.